Welcome to the day one of the Affiliate Side Hustle Bootcamp. Today, we're going to be looking at something very, very important. Why affiliate marketing is the fastest side hustle you can start right now. But before I explain why it is the fastest, let's quickly define what affiliate marketing actually is. Because how one take tell you say something deep powerful if you don't even know what it is? No, it don't make sense. So let's break it down. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you promote a product that is not your own and you earn a commission for every sale that you generate. Yes, it's a performance-based business model where you promote a product that is not your own and you earn a commission for every sale that you generate. Here is the simple flow. You pick a product that you want to sell, you promote the business, you make sales, and you earn your commission. That is it. No product ownership, no production, no inventory. Just promote, sell, and earn. Very simple, right? Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into why affiliate marketing is the fastest side hustle available today. Number one, with affiliate marketing, you need little or no capital. Yes. To start affiliate marketing, you don't need millions. You don't need to buy stock. You don't need to rent a shop. You all know how much renting of a shop is worth here today in Nigeria, especially in Lagos. All you need is marketing and sales skills. And that is exactly what you will learn in this course. Just marketing and sales skills, digital marketing to be precise. In a world where starting a business can cost a fortune before you even make your first sale, affiliate marketing gives you the chance to start small and profit big. Number two, no importation or inventory stress needed. You are not importing any goods. You are not paying customs. You are not renting a shop. You are not storing products. You are not packing orders. You are not delivering anything. All you need to do is choose a hot selling product, promote it, and let the company handle all the heavy lifting. And the sweetest part is that you are not begging people physically or knocking from door to door, like all those new life marketers that you guys know. Yes, you are selling online, reaching people far beyond your geographical location. Note that far beyond your geographical location. With a normal physical shop here in Lagos, it's only people that pass through your shop that are going to see your product and buy it. But with digital marketing, you are able to see people in Enugu, in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, in Akwa Ibom. You are able to target people from different states in Nigeria. That is the power of digital advertising. Yes. Number three, you build on existing systems. You are not starting from scratch, right? The brand already has the product. They already have, a delivery system. They have a website. They have customer support. They have packaging. They have logistics, and they have operations. Everything put in place. Your job is just to promote, forward orders, and get paid. Once the product is delivered, your commission drops. No stress. There is no wahala at all from the comfort of your home or your hostel. Number four is affiliate marketing is low risk and is easy entry. In traditional business, the risks are huge. Capital loss, unsold inventory, damaged goods, importation delays, store rents, staff, and more. Affiliate marketing eliminates all of that. You are able to take zero product risk because you don't own the product. Your only responsibility is to market effectively. If you put in the effort, the result will follow. If you don't, nothing happens, and it is that simple. And that is why affiliate marketing is the fastest side hustle today. No capital barrier, no inventory stress, no logistics headache, no customer service chaos, low risk, high potential. Just your skill, the strategy, and your consistency, which will equal money moves. I hope that I've been able to convince you that affiliate marketing is the fastest side hustle. Let's move to the next slide.